Hi everyone, today is my practice video and I am going to take some examples. We are going to practice together in this video. And hey everyone, I am Nibha and I have started my journey of English learning, and I take 30-day challenge of English speaking with dear sir, and today is day 5th of my journey. And what I learned from the video of dear sir, today I'm going to discuss in this video. I'm going to take examples on tonality. First, who are you? We have to say it like this. Who are you? Is he alive? How we're going to speak with tonality, I'm going to take examples. Please practice with me, and if you practice with me, you learn this tonality too. First example, who are you? He's alive. Is he alive? He's happy. He's happy. What are you doing here? May I help you? Oof, I miss my bus. She is looking gorgeous. Why are you here? You will have to work hard. And all these sentences you have to practice with tonality. I'm also a beginner and try to make my tonality too good, and I am not speaking perfect, but I'm trying to every day to make my tonality good, and I practice every day. You have to practice also to make your tonality good, and you speak alone, and yeah, use mirror. In front of mirror you have to speak in these sentences. I'm going to talk about here. If you want to make your English good like a professional speaker, you have to practice every day. Give 10 minutes. You have no time, don't worry, you give only 10 minutes, but give time on the English and practice is key of success. We have to practice every day, and this is if you want to make your life easy and make your English speaking easy, please connect with me. I am also a beginner and try to improve every day, one step ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.